In order to manually fulfill a Shopify order that uses CustomCat, you click on Orders, and you can look at the order number, the customer name, the amount, the date, all of the items for the order. And it says unfulfilled here. So what I do is I run over to CustomCat, log in, and click on Orders. And I see that the same order information, the date, the name, is showing, and it shows shipped. So I'm going to click the tracking number and copy it. Well, I'm going to click it to make sure it actually arrived. Item was delivered to a parcel locker at 7:30 a.m. on January 27th in Claremont, Florida. Okay, so I'm going to come back over to Shopify, click on the row that has the order, and I'm going to click Fulfill and add the tracking number. Send shipment details to your customer now, and click Fulfill Item. Now the item will show as fulfilled in the dashboard.